how to fix a loose and wobbly mirror at the Peugeot Partner or a Citroen Berlingo. So as you can see, this mirror is very loose, especially when you are driving on a highway and you have a little bit of speed. It's even worse than this. It is too loose to drive around with. So what you want to do is actually to go inside your car and then you want to find the wheel where you can steer the mirrors, and you want to point the arrow down, and what you are doing then is to adjust the mirror out and in, just like I'm doing now. And you want to do that a few times. And as you can see, my mirror now is tight and nice. So this is how you fix a loose mirror on a Peugeot Partner and a Citroen Berlingo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.